I had meats.
Tener.
Spanish past you'll use today. Welcome. Hey, it's Synapse Lingo bringing you a quick, funny English-Spanish session. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, have, and they had using the Spanish verb
Tener.
and its past forms like
Tenía. Tuviste. Él tenía. Ella tenía. Teníamos.
and.
Ellos tenían.
Ready? Let's make past possession painless and funny. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say these naturally and know when to pick imperfect or preterite. I had. Usually background, ongoing.
Tenía.
E.g., I had a bike. You had, too. Completed event.
Tuviste.
Ongoing habit.
Tenías.
He had.
Él tenía.
She had.
Ella tenía.
It had.
Tenía.
We had.
Teníamos.
Have, to have, infinitive.
Tener.
They had.
Ellos tenían.
Pro tip. Possession uses
Tener.
not.
Haber.
Tiny forms with rhythm. Clap the beat and echo after me. Keep it light and bouncy. Yo.
Tenía.
Two.
Tuviste.
El.
Tenía.
Ella.
Tenía.
Eso.
Tenía.
Nosotros.
Teníamos.
Vosotros.
Teníais.
Ellos.
Tenían.
Base.
Tener.
One more time, smile counts as extra credit. Mini dialogues. Listen, picture it, then repeat the Spanish line out loud. A. I had a bicycle when I was a kid. B.
Tenía una bicicleta cuando era niño.
A. Yesterday, you had no time. B.
Ayer, no tuviste tiempo.
A. He had a plan. B.
Él tenía un plan.
A. She had a dog when she was little. B.
Ella tenía un perro cuando era pequeña.
A. It had power before the storm. B.
Antes de la tormenta, tenía electricidad.
A. We had no money, but we were happy. B.
No teníamos dinero, pero éramos felices.
A. By noon, they had a clear plan. B.
Al mediodía, ellos tenían un plan claro.
Memory hooks. Lock it in with quick tricks you can feel and see. Gesture. Hug an imaginary object and whisper.
Tenía.
You owned it back then. Rhyme. I had it back then, in Spanish it's
Tener.
remember when? Mnemonic. 10 fingers.
Tener.
Past I had.
Tenía.
You had, done.
Tuviste.
Identity tags. He had.
Él tenía.
She had.
Ella tenía.
We had.
Teníamos.
They had.
Ellos tenían.
Drill time. Quick call and response. Say the Spanish before I do. Say in Spanish, I had no time yesterday. Answer.
No tenía tiempo ayer.
Say in Spanish, you had a great idea, too, completed. Answer.
Tuviste una gran idea.
Say in Spanish, he had 2 tickets. Answer.
Él tenía 2 entradas.
Say in Spanish, she had a plan. Answer.
Ella tenía un plan.
Say in Spanish, it had a spare key. Answer.
Tenía una llave de repuesto.
Say in Spanish, we had a problem. Answer.
Teníamos un problema.
Say the infinitive, have, to have. Answer.
Tener.
Say in Spanish, they had many books. Answer.
Ellos tenían muchos libros.
Culture tip. Sound native by choosing the right verb and form. For possession, Spanish uses
Tener.
not.
Haber.
Say, I had a car, as
Tenía un coche.
not, había un coche, or
V.
un coche. Use the imperfect like
Tenía.
slash.
Teníamos.
For background or habits, and preterite like
Tuviste.
for one and done events. Also fun. To be right, in Spanish is to have reason. You had equals.
Tuviste razón.
Lightning quiz. Answer fast, trust your gut. Quick. Spanish for they had ongoing habit.
Ellos tenían.
Which Spanish infinitive means have.
Tener.
Translate. We had time to help.
Teníamos tiempo para ayudar.
True or false.
Tuviste.
Equals you had, 2, completed. True. Daily challenge. Make it yours in under 2 minutes. Write one short memory sentence for each. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, have, they had. Then say them aloud with Spanish.
Tenía. Tuviste.
Slash.
Tenías. Él tenía. Ella tenía. Tenía. Teníamos. Tener. Ellos tenían.
Example. I had a red bike.
Tenía una bicicleta roja.
Goodbye and keep going. You crushed it, nice work. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, have, and they had with forms like
Tenía. Tuviste. Él tenía. Ella tenía. Teníamos. Ellos tenían.
and.
Tener.
For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.